Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from iBrows Academy. In this video, I want to show you a little technique to work at the area between the transition stroke and the upper stroke area. Okay, so what do I mean by that? Let's just get started real quick. Yeah. So here you see I have the brows right here. So I'm going to do the head stroke first. Can everyone see? Please focus the camera. Okay. Here I just do 1, 2, 3, 4. This is set number 4. Okay, so now I do the number 5 one. Okay, so now I do the first lower stroke on the transition stroke right here. Just do one like that. Then I do the curve. Okay, go to by 6. And as you can see, I'm going to do the lower stroke now. Normally I don't use this slanted plate, but today I ran out of the plate, so I need to use this one. It's not that bad. Okay, let you curve more. Curve more, so I go back and refill here. Okay. All right.
1,600.
Okay, keep going. And I keep going. Sorry, someone just got in my room. Alright, and you hear some of those noises. Anyway, let's keep going. There we go. Alright, so try to motion to the spine. I rotate the skin a little bit. Can everyone see? Yeah. Okay, let's keep going. Okay. Alright. We almost to the end. Okay, curve more. Curve more. And on the line. There we go. So the purpose of this video is not about the lower stroke, which is what we are doing right now. Alright, I'm almost done with this one, and then we get into the main business. Okay. Okay. Alright, so now the main purpose of this video is this area right here. How do we do this one? And a lot of you have difficulty, so I show you just couple strokes. Okay, yeah, pay careful attention. First I do 1 all the way up. You see that? All the way up from here, all the way up to here. So that's the first stroke. Now I do 2. And now I do 3. And I do 4. So now I completely cover that area. Okay. Now I start the upper stroke. Okay. Okay. Now our regular upper stroke. Regular upper stroke. Can everyone see? Regular upper stroke. On the line. Regular upper stroke. Okay. Okay. Now straight, straight here, straight there. Alright, so let me just recap this area. Okay, so that's how I would do it. Okay, let me just recap for you. Okay, alright, let me use another tool. Okay, let me quickly recap the main whole idea is, let's say you have the head strap, right? Let's say you have the head strap. Can everyone see? Let's say you do 1, 2, 3, set 4, and then you do 5, right? Let's say you do something like that. Okay, and then after you do this one here for the spine, you do this is here, this area here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go down to the spine. You see that? I do 1, 2. That's the main. You see that? I want to do 1, 2, 3. So you try to get close to the spine. You just do like that. Okay. After that, you can start your upper strap up here. Okay. You can continue your upper strap. You see that? Okay, that's how you would do it. Alright, let me just repeat that one more time. Okay, I do it now here. Okay, 1, this is a head strap, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? After that you do this one here, the first lower strap, and then you do the spine, right? And now here you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then you can start your upper strap from this area here. You see what I'm saying? Just like that. Okay, and don't worry about this gap here, we can handle it easily. You can add more strap here, curving it to the spine. You see, just like that. Just like that. Merge it to that. See, it's a piece of cake. Alright, so I show you how to handle this area. Okay, just do 1, 2, 3, or 4, 5, whatever the case might be. You see, 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just get closer to the spine. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, thank you.